guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make slime and to look like this. So what you want to do is you want to get some white Elmer's glue or clear, and then you want to get some laundry detergent, and you want to pour the whole thing of Elmer's glue into the bowl, and then you want to get a tablespoon of laundry detergent, and if that's not enough and you feel like it's not enough, then you try to add as much as you want, and then your slime is going to be looking like this if you add food coloring, and then if you don't, it's either going to be clear or it's either going to be white. So other than that, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I just put all of my stuff into this bowl, and so yeah, I'll show you guys in just a sec. Okay, so I just made my slime, that's what it looks like, but I made a little bit because I did not have a lot of glue, so the amount of glue you use is going to be how big your slime is going to be. And if you want to add shaving foam, you can do that to make fluffy slime. I'm going to get some right now. And it also makes it bigger, so yeah, one sec. Okay, so I just mixed some shaving cream into my slime, and as you can see guys, it does stretch very long, but it doesn't stay like that, and then it also stretches very big when you do it like that, and then a hole just appears in the middle. But you can see that it obviously made my slime grow, because if you look at how big it was before, look at how big it was now. I'm going to try to see how long it will take to make it flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16. This is how flat I can get.
Because I was sitting over there watching the movie.
Sorry that you guys talking about my
I hear this. I agree.
But then,
and I thought it was time for her to be home, and I'm saying,
but
why
then,
should be this yet? She should
if you keep on stretching and stretching,
yet. My Serenity's here. She's out of school. Shit.
And yeah, I know that this was a short tutorial. Oh, for the last thing, you would want to get a container, and you want to put your slime in there. And this also makes your slime a lot less sticky. Before, I was trying to do something and my fingers just got stuck in it. And now, like, I can't even show you guys what happened. It's like getting everywhere. It's getting everywhere. And like, my favorite thing to do with the slime is like just do this over and over and over again. Okay, so yeah, hope you guys like it. Go get a quick bite real quick when you're not fine. Okay. And this is also a close-up. It's not just for my clickbait. I mean, not clickbait, sorry, thumbnail.